Alright guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. Let me start off this video by saying, look, I do appreciate you guys who comment down below. I appreciate you guys who interact with the videos. I appreciate you guys who say what's up. Appreciate you guys who give your opinions, comments, all of that stuff. Yeah, I do read all of your comments, and as I said, a big part of the reason why I produce these videos, which help and guide you guys in terms of your market activity, in terms of your quest for generating income from the markets. Your comments is a big motivational factor for me. So definitely do hit me up in the comments. Do interact with the videos. Let me know your thoughts, all of that good stuff. Yeah, it really is appreciated. So guys, we just come off the back of a very interesting week in the markets, and what the markets has done is it's gone and confused the masses. Okay, so if you're looking into the markets thinking what is going on, is the market going to go higher, is the market going to go lower, you're probably in a state of confusion. And what I'm going to do in this video is clear up that confusion, give you guys that clarity that is going to allow you to have a very good understanding of what the market is actually going to be doing next. Because it's very easy, it's very simple. Once you see what I've got to show you guys, you'll see that it's actually extremely simple, and the next move in the market is very, very obvious. And because of that, there is a lot of money to be made. And what you guys don't want to do is you don't want to leave that money on the table. Okay, I want you guys to be making as much as you possibly can from the markets, and I want you guys to grow that, to scale that, to increase that over time, which you will do. Because as I said, the markets is one of the greatest income generators in existence. It's just that most people don't know how to unlock that. And that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to help you guys unlock the market's potential for you. And as I said, if you are trading stocks, if you are buying stocks and then trying to sell them to make a profit, that's the wrong way to go about it. You want to be fully using the options market. As a matter of fact, I got the last options trade up on screen right here. So this is an options trade from not very long ago that made me almost 27,000, 26,000 in profit. The reason I'm able to do that is because the options market provide that much needed volatility. And if you're able to utilize that volatility, if you're able to harness that volatility, you'll make a lot of money from the options market. Okay, so use the options market, use the guidance I've got to give you guys, and I will do in a minute. You can do very, very well for yourself. All right, so let's talk about the market and let's talk about why it's confusing. So why is the market confusing to start off with? Well, firstly, the market has had a phenomenal run. Okay, and this is a run that I've been guiding you guys on over the last couple of months, telling you guys exactly where the market's going to go, why they're going to go higher. So that should be no surprise. All right, this is something I've been telling you guys will take place. So market's seen a very, very strong push. Okay, up to this is the S&P, up to this 5,800 level. But where the confusion comes in is what's happened very recently. And what's happened very recently is you've seen a sell-off in the market off the back of, these earnings. We don't need to get into all of that. That's not important. Okay. The key thing here is what the market has done now is it has created fear. So it's spooked the masses. It's put the masses in a position where they are losing conviction in the strength of the market. Okay, the market is very, very good at that. It's very good at moving you off center. It's very good at creating this disequilibrium in your own convictions. I've been in the markets for a long time. We're coming up to like 10 years. The markets can't fool me. The markets can't trick me. The markets can't play any games with me. Okay, and I don't want it to. And what I'm trying to do is get you guys to get that level of understanding that I have. So this temporary drawdown that we've seen in the markets, and you can see it from these red candles, yeah? This is a temporary fixture, and this is just to throw people off course. Remember that. If you remember anything from this video, just remember that the recent move that we've seen in the markets is just to throw people off course. It's as simple as is. However, there is one caveat to that you guys want to understand, and that is that the market has room to go lower, yeah? Firstly, look at the candle that was printed on Friday's session. We had a big push up, which, what did it do? It made people flood into the market. So people, we got some green. So they're piling in, they're buying whatever, just for the market to just be like, nah, son, not today, and pull that away from them. And you see that decline, right? And what that's done is it's created one of these long wicks at the top of the day. So it means that market went up, all right? People bought in. Market just took the candy away from the baby, and the market closed much lower than, where it was during the trading day. That is a sign of weakness, yeah? And on top of that, not only that, the market still has room to move to a significant level of support, which is down here. So we shouldn't expect the market to drop below 56.50 this year, right? That's the lowest it can go this year, 56.50 on the S&P. If I actually go and move to the NASDAQ, it's the same story, all right? We shouldn't expect the NASDAQ. Remember, I drew these lines last time as well, telling you guys the market's going to go lower to go higher. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to push this annotation out here, and that'll give you a sense of what's to come, yeah? Remember, I drew this last week. So it means that we can go a little bit lower, all right, down to about this 19,700 range on the Qs, on the NASDAQ, before we move higher. So what I'm looking to do is get a little bit more weakness taking place. Remember, Monday, listen, you never trade Monday, because Monday is a day where the market tries to fool you the most, tries to place the Mondays and Fridays, tries to play the most trickery. So what the market will do on Mondays, it will throw you a curveball, start the week off. Look, I wouldn't be surprised if we start the week off red. You see that's continuation of a sell-off. You see the headlines, all of that stuff. That is just setting the scene, setting the tone for a much bigger move in the markets, which will take place over the course of, the week, middle of the week, back end of the week, into, the rest of November. And then you're going to get this big push. You're going to get this big push higher out of there, because the market's going to close out this year very strong. It's just having one final sell-off before it delivers that monumental rise that we are going to see into the end of the year. Now, if you're positioned well, I'm telling you guys, you could have a fantastic end to the year. Speaking of which, I already got the guys over the Patreon in a trade that is going to do exceptionally well. Listen, you guys over the Patreon, that trade that we entered into on Friday, that is going to do serious numbers, right? And I will come on YouTube and I'll post the outcome of that in due course. But I'm telling you guys, there are some fantastic opportunities that are just basically being prepared and engineered right now. And then you are going to see them come to fruition once this temporary sell-off has passed. Okay, so once we get a little bit more of a push lower, you are then going to see an explosive move in prices. As a matter of fact, now let me, you know what, I was gonna go into a little bit more technicals with you guys, but let me just keep it simple. Let me keep it basic. Let me give you guys just the core information that you need without bamboozling some of you guys. Because what I don't want to do is I don't want to confuse you guys. I want to keep it as simple as possible, so you guys have the information. All right, boom, price is going to go here. Why is it going to go here? When it goes here, it's going to do this. Okay, I know I need to react this way when price does this. Okay, so you guys have kind of got that blueprint to follow. telling you guys, the markets are set for some seriously good things coming into the end of the year. And I want all of you guys to be taking advantage of that. I don't want you guys to just be sitting on the sidelines or watching other people succeed or watching the markets just deliver these insane opportunities and not reacting off them, because it's there for the taking, all right? As I always said, regardless of what skin color you are, what education level you have, what your IQ is, what your background is, family situation, personal life, whatever the case may be, the markets is a great equalizer. It's an opportunity for you guys to go ahead and do some incredible things in the markets, all right? So, all right, this is the information you guys need. Now, what you do is you then take that information and you move to certain assets out there which are going to follow suit, right? So if you want to trade the index, I've given you guys the levels. You can easily go and place some options on these indexes, SP 500, the NASDAQ, or you move down and you go into some of these constituents that make up the index and play some options on there, right? We do all of that stuff over at the Patreon. That's why I say make sure you're in there. Make sure you're getting that information, that real-time information from me. Because, listen, I'm guiding the guys and they are doing some incredible numbers. I've seen the last trade we did, guys making thousands, right? Making more than their day job on that last trade. Unbelievable numbers. All right, so make sure you guys get yourself in there. Incredible information, incredible opportunities to the run up to the end of the year. But guys, this is what will be taking place in the very near term in the markets over the next couple of days. You guys have got the information. Okay, you guys have got the understanding. You guys have got, I'll give you guys that secret sauce. I always say you guys are part of a very, very elite group of people that have information, unbelievable information that you can act on and deliver some incredible results from, right? So all of you guys watching are part of a very small elite group that understand how powerful the markets are, number one, but actually have that information to take advantage of them, right? So you guys are definitely set for next week. You guys are going to do amazing things. Do keep me updated on how you guys get on, and I'll catch you guys next time.